So my name's Anson MacAuslan. I work for Welbeck Estates up in Caithness. My role is quite diverse. I look after all aspects of the estate here. It's about 50,000 acres. We've got a lot of agriculture, forestry, properties to manage and other businesses that are based here. So yeah, quite a diverse role really.
I'm Chris Stewart. I'm farm manager for Welbeck Scottish Farms and work alongside Anson and looking after the livestock side of the estate and the farming side of it. The tractor in itself, from my point of view, is it's a fine sized tractor. For what I need, it can go in and out of sheds, it can put bales out, so it's a good sized stockman's tractor.
Well, on the estate we sometimes use it for loading the biomass boiler, moving wood chip around, fixing hill roads, maybe put a grader on the back or trailer or something and use it for putting new surfaces on the road and stuff like that as well. So lots of different things really. It's a nice compact size, plenty of power for the jobs we need, and easy to drive, easy to use, just and reliable.
And certainly visibility too is getting better. The tractors are getting more modern. From my point of view, especially if you're stacking bales and stuff, it's certainly quite handy. Or even just loading the dung spreader and stuff, you can see a bit better.
Yeah, I mean the joystick controls, it's really, it just sits in your hand the way it should and it just feels easy, there's always a gear that works for whatever you're doing at the time, it's really easy to find the gear and you get used to it. I mean, it's like in the old days you're sort of crunching through gears and stuff, and now you just a little light flick on the finger and you're up and down a gear, just no problem at all.
Turning circle, it's pretty good. A lot of our sheds are quite tight, and even you put scraping up the yard and stuff, you're in and out, it's no faults at all with that side of it. For what it is, we're pretty, it does the job for what we're needing anyway, so it's
good utility tractor, does everything we've asked of it to date. So, maybe we'll try and do something else with it in the future and we'll think, oh, it's, it can't do this, but at the moment it's doing everything we're asking of it.